Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to build out a very simple uh, Python graphical user interface kind of an application where you can search your Windows applications very easily. Let me run this application and show to you. So the application looks something like this. We have this input field. You can search for any sort of program which is installed on your computer. So as soon as you do this, it will display information regarding that program, such as the what is the name of that software version, when that software was installed. It will give you the date, publisher, and it will give you the complete path where it is installed. So this is the input field here. So here you will write the name of the software. So let's suppose I say OBS Studio, which is actually a software which is installed on my machine. So if I enter it and click on the show button, now you will see it will search my entire system, and then as soon as you can see, it is showing the details here. OBS Studio, what is the version here, installed it, who is the publisher, and the complete path. So if I copy this path here, it is located inside C program files OBS Studio. So I know it is correct because I can cross check, go to C and go to program files. It has a folder OBS Studio. You will see that. So in this easy way, you can locate any program inside your Windows machine by typing any right here. So if I write here Java, so you will see once again it will show me Java is installed, this version is installed it, publisher, everything. So this will be the application that I will be building, a very simple application uh, inside Tkinter framework of Python. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. So first of all, we require all the necessary packages. So we simply say from Tkinter we need to import everything, and then we need to import the WinApps package, which is specifically related to Windows machines. So if you want to work with Windows, you need to use this package inside this Python. And then we define the actual graphical user interface of using Tkinter. We initialize the window like this by the TK constructor. And then we configure the background color of the window by using this property BG. And here we can put any color. Let's suppose I say light gray. And then we can put various variables for holding information such as name, version, install date, publisher, uninstalled string. So we declared these five variables of string type. After that, we simply create a label for storing each location, for each information. We create these widgets one by one. So you can see we have 6 widgets, namely for first of all we have a input field where we allow the user to enter the app name. Then we display the details inside each label widget. So if you just want to run this application and see what is happening, so we can simply root.main loop. Don't need, simply execute main loop. So if you just execute this, the interface looks something like this. We simply have these 6 labels, 5 labels, and this is actually will be the input field. So now for having the input field inside Tkinter, we simply, after we declare this, we simply uh, have the label here. So After we declare this is actually your label, all these labels, and now we just need to have a widget for collecting data. So these are all widgets. Let me just copy this everywhere. So all the source code will be given in the description of the video, so don't need to worry about it. So as you can see, this is the overall interface. If I restart the application, it is saying app is not defined. So I think, yeah, so this will be the function that we put. Yeah, so command is equal to app. So when we hit this button right here of show, so it is saying that this function doesn't exist. So we just need to define this function right here. So we simply say define app, and inside this function we simply loop through all the Windows apps which are installed inside your machine by using this function module here, which is WinApps, that we are importing. It contains a function called as search installed. So it will search all your installed apps which are installed on your laptop or PC, and then we will loop through it like this. So name dot set item dot name. So in this way we can search it, then we can put which version is installed, and then the install date as well, install date. So it has all this information, so we are just showing this information. Next we can even set the publisher uninstall like this. So all this information comes from this third-party package. So name, version, install date, publisher, uninstalled. So if I start this application now, you will see that you can just search for any module or any software which is there. Click on that button, so you will see. Now the app will perfectly work. So if you need the full source code of this application, the link is given in the description of this video. You can just get this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.